My name is Manyame, and my title is Director of Geospatial Research and Development. I've been with EMPACT for close to a year now, but I've been in the industry for a little over a decade. The U.S. economy spends about $150 billion on outages. So that's the first thing. That's a big number. And out of those outages, when you look at utilities, on an annual basis, utilities spend about $6 to $8 billion on vegetation management. So those are big numbers. So from an economic point of view, that's the biggest pain point, I guess. And vegetation management is one of the highest costs in terms of their O&M, operational budgets every year. But ironically, that's the one thing that gets cut when budgets are tight, right? So with our EVI program, we are saying we can help utilities optimize their cycles. And also that really helps a big deal in terms of optimizing their budgets. When you look also at utilities specifically, research has shown that consistently, research has shown that most of the outages that utilities face, vegetation outages that utilities face because of trees or vegetation that's growing outside of the right-of-way. So that's a big deal because they don't have as much control over trees that are outside of the right-of-way compared to trees that are inside of the right-of-way. So the biggest question is always, how do you then prevent outages? How do you then mitigate, vegetation-related outages when you don't have that much control over the vegetation that's growing outside of your right-of-way?